Welcome to our video on what are the 5 components of fitness. Fitness is not just about having a good physique, it's about being physically and mentally healthy. There are 5 components of fitness that every individual should consider when planning their fitness routine. These 5 components are essential to achieve overall physical and mental fitness. In this video, we will discuss each of the 5 components of fitness in detail. Number 1. Cardiovascular endurance is the ability of the heart, lungs, and blood vessels to function effectively during prolonged physical activity. This component of fitness can be improved through activities such as running, cycling, swimming, and other aerobic exercises. Engaging in cardiovascular exercises helps to strengthen the heart and lungs, improve blood circulation, and increase the body's ability to utilize oxygen. Improving cardiovascular endurance can also help prevent the risk of heart disease and other chronic illnesses. Number 2. Muscular strength is the amount of force a muscle can produce during an activity or task. Improving muscular strength can help prevent injuries, improve posture, and enhance overall physical performance. Resistance training, weightlifting, and bodyweight exercises are excellent ways to improve muscular strength. Working out with weights or resistance bands can also help strengthen muscles, increase bone density, and improve overall health. Number 3. Muscular endurance refers to the ability of the muscles to sustain repetitive contractions over an extended period. Improving muscular endurance can help prevent muscle fatigue and enhance overall physical performance. Activities such as calisthenics, circuit training, and endurance running can help improve muscular endurance. Engaging in these activities helps to increase the body's ability to withstand prolonged physical activity, leading to improved overall physical performance. Number 4. Flexibility is the ability to move a joint or group of joints through a full range of motion. Maintaining flexibility can help prevent injuries, improve posture, and enhance overall physical performance. Engaging in activities such as stretching, yoga, and Pilates can help improve flexibility. These activities help to improve the body's range of motion, leading to improved overall physical performance. Number 5. Body composition refers to the proportion of fat, muscle, and bone in the body. Maintaining a healthy body composition can help prevent chronic illnesses such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Engaging in regular physical activity and eating a healthy diet can help maintain a healthy body composition. This component of fitness is essential for overall health and well-being. In conclusion, the 5 components of fitness are crucial for overall physical and mental fitness. Improving cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition can help prevent injuries, enhance overall physical performance, and prevent chronic illnesses. Incorporating all 5 components of fitness into a fitness routine can lead to a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. It's essential to remember that each component is equally important, and a balanced approach to fitness is the key to achieving optimal health and well-being. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below.